cats are known to be renowned napping champions, with an average of 16 hours per day spent dozing off during this cringy film called life. After so much practice in the sleep department, they really know what it takes to get a good catnap. Our furry friends have been spotted sleeping nearly anywhere. The locations speak for themselves: tissue boxes, wine glasses, winter shoes, terrariums, flower pots, and laundry racks. Sometimes it's the sleeping positions that catch the eye: on the head, upside down, all stretched and carved, or using a dog as a pillow. I'll just leave it here. After you're done uploading your favorite of these weird sleeping cats, don't forget to scroll through Bored Panda's previous compilations of feline sleep master classes. Here and here. Have one silly cat that's fast asleep right next to you. Share in the comments.